Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 5th of February 2024. I'm a Dukas Copies trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy. I'm not their employee, therefore everything that I am going to tell here in this webinar, they are my own views. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. In this webinar, we will be strictly discussing the price action and we'll ignore all the fundamentals. And as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll only follow the charts for our analysis. And we'll be using the candlesticks charts to do our analysis. In the process, we'll be trying to find out the key levels for all the Forex major pairs. And we'll see how we can use those key levels in our trading setups. I'll be taking the questions from the viewers at the end of the session. So please ask your questions in the chat box. I'll answer them. And lastly, before I start, I want to tell you that everything that I say in this live stream, it is only for information or knowledge. Please do not take it as a trading advice. And you should do your own research before you put your money on the line. With this said, now I must take you to the risk disclaimer. So let's go and have a look at the charts. First things first, I want to show you, first of all, is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Right now on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Now you here see that the price was making a very good up move, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, in fact lower low and higher high. So this was a bullish engulfing. Now there is a follow up. For me, 104.486 is the high today. Here the high was 104.462. Here the high is 104.486. So that means this high is at least taken out today. Now the problem is that high is taken out, but the high has not been survived. When you look at the 4-hour, you'll witness that this price is higher than this one, but it has also gone wrong, or say it has been rejected very badly. So after rejection, has it crossed below this low that price had made earlier? That is something to see. Okay, also we have to see how are the volumes when the price is going down. So here when the price was going down, the volumes are reducing, so we can safely say that these 3 hours of price action is not a sell-off, but it is only a pullback. This is one thing. Now going back to the daily and the weekly, also notice that there is a possibility of pullback towards 103.66 before we can see a higher high or we can see a move upwards. Now in this case here, this high around 105.90 is exposed in the US dollar index. All right, now on the downside, expect some support around 103.66, and below that I think you should be looking for the price to breach 102.75. Till the time price does not breach 102.75, we cannot be looking for a selling market here. All right, second is the euro dollar chart. Euro dollar has approximately taken the targets. Today the price has made an intraday low of 1.07234, which is just one pip below the 1.0724 targets. So we can safely say that the targets are taken. Even the price has gone below that low, not by a very large amount, but yes, it has already taken the target. So our mission objective is accomplished, but still the price is trading above it now. So that means there is a possibility that it will take a pullback and thereafter it may restart, or we can say that there is a possibility of even the price reversing from here. So we will just wait and watch. But right now 1.0724 is the support for us, and if you are very considerate by breaking the low of this price by 0.1 pip or 1 pip, then 1.0656 is exposed in this market. On the high side, we can have potential resistance around 1.0897. Also, these previous broken lows may also start acting as a resistance, which is around 1.0796 in the case of the euro dollar. In the case of the British pound, I have told you that the price has started moving in a channel, and it looks like the channel support has been tested, and I had drawn that if the price breaks below this level of 1.2613, then there is a high probability that when the price starts going up from here, it will start finding resistance around 1.2612, and now we have seen the price trading lower, and maybe most probably it is going to close below that. So we'll look for this price as the resistance, and we can have a potential target of 1.2500 and thereafter 1.2374 also in this market. So you should understand this price action. Had you understood the market structure and understood how to read the markets, you could have predicted this particular move in the coming days. Australian dollar also has moved lower, has seen a lower low. 0.6453 is the ultimate target here, but see how the price broke from this low downtrending channel, and after this breakout, now it is trying to find support at the lower levels. You see, the lower wicks are increasing day by day. So expect a huge support around 0.6453. That is what I am expecting. The resistance being 0.6526. Similar is the case with the New Zealand dollar. Here I am expecting a reach towards 0.6084 as a second opportunity to go short in this market now. So in case that happens, we can have a second opportunity to go short in this market. Although I think that the RSI has broke out to the upside, and there is an anticipation of breakout to the higher side also, but we cannot buy this market until and unless it is trading below 0.6084, which is the resistance now. 0.5940 is the support on the downside. USD CHF, finally it looks like it is trying to break out, but I cannot buy this market below 0.8728 now. So we'll be keeping a sharp eye on that area. Till the time the price is trading below this, I'm not going to buy this market. On the higher side, this is the resistance. Now the support can be seen around 0.8551, although the actual uptrending pivot is around 0.8455. USD CAD, very nice recent high here today. So now the next high is exposed here. So what is exposed now? You can safely say that this high around 1.3620, yes, that is exposed. So we can expect now higher highs here and higher lows here. So this becomes a channel. Now this becomes a valid channel. So keep an eye on this one, guys, and expect 1.3620 and maybe even towards 1.3650 on the upside. The support may be seen around 1.3415 or 1.3359. You can now remove this one from the chart because the price has seen a higher high, so this becomes a valid low. And when this becomes a valid low, this also becomes your area of support. So now the resistance may be seen around 1.3620 in the coming time. Talking about the USD JPY, although the price has made a higher high, but you see that this 4-hour candle has not sustained there. There was a higher volume green candle, but that is also not looking like as if it is making any significant move there. I think the higher highs are being rejected by the sellers. Although the very tough resistance lies very near 149.75 is the next level of resistance. Since the price has made this high, so now the low can be treated as 145.89. If the price trades below that, we will become sellers. On the upside, we have crucial resistance around 149.75, where I will be looking for the selling opportunities in this market. New Zealand CAD, as we have observed that it was selling off. So now New Zealand dollar was weak against the Canadian one, but here it looks like that the price action is going inside the triangle again. So I am a little bullish on the New Zealand dollar, but I am not buying the market, but I am anticipating an up move very fast on the upside. Okay, if that happens. If no, then expect this channel to continue. Which channel? But the channel that I'm going to make right now. If my friend Sandy is watching this, then he need to know that you need two highs for this, and the high is confirmed when the price makes a lower low than that high. All right, so this becomes your first high, this becomes your second high. Sorry, first high, second high, and this becomes your low. So you have to keep a channel like this, but if you really want to include the wicks also, so you can make the channel like this. You assume that this trend will continue for some time. In that case, this channel resistance may start acting as a dynamic resistance for the price. My friend was saying that Bitcoin is a sell below 38,500. Yes, below 38,548, Bitcoin is a sell. In fact, it has shown by this move that there is a possibility that the price is going lower. Now, my friend was saying that it is at the similar resistance, but yes, it is possible that the price going below 38,500 may fall towards 32,433. On the weekly, although I am expecting this price to start acting as a good support, because see here the recent, not the recent, but on the 1st June of 2022, the price moved higher from here, and thereafter it never came back. I mean, it moved higher from here this year, 23rd of October last year, and has never seen that price. We need to see what happens when the price comes back to that area. Although I'm expecting an up move from there. So there is possibility something like this happens around 32,433. So when the price comes here, you can expect an up move in the direction of 49.21. So this is the Brent. Finally, we have dropped below the crucial support area. Now we are heading back towards the same area. So expect some huge resistance around 79 area with a target of 72.33 on the downside. This channel, this rising channel, which has broken just now, may start acting as a dynamic resistance for the price as and when the price goes up from. Gold, well, this was expected, a breakout and retest and thereafter buying. So that is exactly what is happening. But do not be very fast, or do not be very, I'll say, impatient to buy this market right now. Wait for this channel to break to the upside. Once this channel breaks to the upside, you can be sure that on the 1 hour, whatever was the downtrend has now turned into an uptrend, and the 1 hour will align itself with the daily chart, which is an uptrend. Okay, and if that happens, you can buy this market with the target of 2088. Any trade above 2088 will expose 2146. So what is the resistance now? 2088 is the resistance. So ideally, where is the support now? You can bring that support up, which is around here, 2002. So let's see, if the price trades below that, we will become sellers again, but if it trades above that, we can be looking for buying opportunities if the price trades above this falling channel. Last thing is this Eurozone stock, which I'm very bearish right now. Why I'm bearish? Because there is no hope in this stock, and I'm expecting this stock to go below 25 very soon. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me that, or you can ask them when the video is published online. So I'll be very happy to answer those in the comment section also. So guys, before I turn off this live stream, I just want to thank you for your time to watch this video, and I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time.